Best AI tools for every industry. AI is transforming the world. From business to marketing, coding to healthcare, AI tools are making life easier, faster, and smarter. In this video, I'll show you the best AI tools for every industry and how they can help you. AI for business and productivity. If you run a business or want to boost productivity, these AI tools will save you time and effort. Checkmark DeepSeek, AI-powered data analysis and decision-making assistant. Checkmark ChatGPT, AI assistant for emails, automation, and customer support. Checkmark Notion AI, AI-powered notes, organization, and task management. Checkmark Grammarly, AI writing assistant for emails and documents. Checkmark Zapier, connects apps and automates repetitive tasks. Perfect for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and corporate professionals. Keycap 2 AI for marketing and content creation. Want to create social media posts, ads, or videos quickly? These AI tools are for you. Checkmark Canva AI, auto-generates stunning designs and removes backgrounds. Checkmark Adobe Firefly, AI-powered image editing and content creation. Checkmark Descript, edits videos, removes background noise, and adds captions. Checkmark Copy.ai, writes blogs, ads, and social media posts instantly. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and YouTubers. Keycap 3 AI for coding and development. Even developers use AI to write better code faster. Here are the best AI coding tools. Checkmark GitHub Copilot, suggests and writes code automatically. Checkmark Replit Ghostwriter, AI-assisted real-time coding. Checkmark Tabnine, AI-powered code completion for developers. Perfect for software engineers and programmers. Keycap 4 AI in healthcare and research. AI is transforming healthcare, making diagnosis and research faster and more accurate. Checkmark IBM Watson Health, AI-powered medical diagnostics. Checkmark Google DeepMind, AI for disease prediction and drug discovery. Checkmark BioGPT, AI for medical and pharmaceutical research. Perfect for doctors, researchers, and medical professionals. Keycap 5 AI in finance and investing. 63745. AI helps investors make better financial decisions. Here are the top AI tools for finance. Checkmark Bloomberg GPT, AI-powered financial analysis and insights. Checkmark Turing Trader AI, AI-driven stock market predictions. Checkmark ChatGPT for Excel, AI-assisted data analysis and calculations. Perfect for investors, financial analysts, and stock traders. Keycap 6 AI for education and learning. AI can help students learn smarter. Here are the top AI education tools. Checkmark Conmigo by Khan Academy, AI-powered tutoring and personalized learning. Checkmark Quizlet AI, AI-generated flashcards and study guides. Checkmark Socratic by Google, AI homework helper and learning assistant. Perfect for students, teachers, and lifelong learners. Keycap 7 AI for creativity and art. AI is revolutionizing creativity. Whether you're into music, art, or video editing, these AI tools are game changers. Checkmark Runway ML, AI-powered video editing and creation. Checkmark Mid-Journey, AI-generated artwork and digital designs. Checkmark SoundDraw, AI music generator for creators. Perfect for artists, musicians, and content creators. Clapperboard conclusion. AI is transforming every industry. Which AI tool are you most excited about? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for all. Thanks, Habib. Thanks.